Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we are going to learn everything about the plus que parfait. On the book we are going to go from page 253 to 257. To use the plus que parfait in French it's very easy because you have the same in English. It's the exact same as I had done. The plus que parfait in French is built the exact same way and we also use it the same way. So how to build the plus que parfait? It's very easy, we already know everything about it. We are simply going to use the auxiliaries être ou avoir conjugated in the imparfait, followed by the past participle of the verb. So let's review the conjugation of avoir and être in the imparfait. We have for avoir, j'avais, tu avais, il, elle, on avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient, elles avaient. And for être, we have j'étais, tu étais, il, elle, on était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. So if you remember when we saw the passé composé, we saw the list of verbs conjugated with avoir and the list of verbs conjugated with être. The verb that we saw in that lesson about the passé composé are going to be also conjugated in the plus que parfait with avoir or with être. So 90% of the time they are going to be conjugated with avoir. If we see the verb téléphoner, for example, so the past participle is simply téléphoner with a et, we have j'avais téléphoné, tu avais téléphoné, il, elle, on avait téléphoné, nous avions téléphoné, vous aviez téléphoné, ils, elles avaient téléphoné. If we see partir, partir is one of the verbs always conjugated with être. The past participle is simply parti with a i. So we have j'étais parti. So here we have either i or e if the subject is a feminine subject. Tu étais parti, same thing if the subject is a feminine subject is going to take a e. Il était parti. Elle était partie with a e, on était parti, nous étions partis, vous étiez partis, ils étaient partis, elles étaient parties. So all the rules regarding the gender and number of the subject also apply in the plus que parfait when conjugated with être. Now a reflexive verb, so you know that reflexive verbs are always going to be conjugated with être. If we look at se changer, to get change, we have je m'étais changé. So here, it also follows all the rules about gender and number as well. Je m'étais changé, tu t'étais changé, il, elle, on s'était changé, nous nous étions changés, vous vous étiez changé, il s'était changé, elle s'était changée. So when do we use the plus que parfait? The plus que parfait is used to talk about an action or a situation that happened before a past action, exactly the same way as we use it in English. It's often used in the same sentence as other past tenses such as passé composé or imparfait. If it's used by itself in a sentence, it means that we already know in the conversation that we are talking about something that happened in the past. We're simply not going to repeat the whole sentence, so we only use it by itself. Let's see a few examples. We have j'avais compris quand le téléphone a sonné. J'avais compris quand le téléphone a sonné. I had understood when the phone rang. Another one. Vous aviez déjà acheté votre nouvelle voiture à ce moment-là. Vous aviez déjà acheté votre nouvelle voiture à ce moment-là. You had already bought your new car at that time. A last one. Je pensais que tu n'avais jamais vu ce film. Je pensais que tu n'avais jamais vu ce film. I thought that you had never seen this movie. To practice, you can do the exercises 12.1 to 12.3. Tomorrow we are going to see the futur antérieur, which is really similar to the plus que parfait. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.